Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of BALMAIN. So before I do unboxing, I want to go shopping with you guys. So I visited the store. You're gonna see the item I got from the store. So let's go shopping with me. This black blazer was amazing. Oh my god, see these buttons? So fancy. Love the sleeve buttons as well. This khaki color cardigan, I loved it as well. See the color? It's gonna be perfect for any jean. Oh my god. They had another color as well, so I decided to try more colors. This one was ordered by someone else for special order. So chic. But it was more expensive than other items because it was special order. See this structured shoulder? Amazing. I love the length of this blazer and style, but the color was gray, so I was not sure about this gray color. Love this black color jacquard pattern cardigan. Everything was amazing, so I was not sure what to choose. But this jean denim jacket was pretty unique. I like the buckle. So when you think about BALMAIN, what kind of image you think about? So when I think about BALMAIN, they have like signature look, this squared structured shape shoulder. So I love that shoulder. So I was looking for that style, whether either any jacket or like blazer or like cardigan with structured shoulder, in navy or black, or also the red color. So I was asking the salesperson in the store if they have the red color. I've seen online, like Farfetch or Net-a-Porter or Farfetch. They had a lot of style from BALMAIN, but it's pretty much they're saying last season, like old season or last season. So that's why I couldn't see in store because it's already gone. It's not new style, so they are saying they don't have, but like some of the like basic items, like steady seller, like black navy, they had, so I could try them. So let me start unboxing. So first one is it's actually first time, even though I really love their style, I couldn't think about buying it, but like this is the first item I bought from BALMAIN, and there's one more item. Wait for it. So this is, I got this from store, yeah. And the other one I got from Net-a-Porter, yeah, because I couldn't find from store, and I could order online. It was like last one left, so like I just grabbed it and then got it. And this one is, ta-da! You can see the black knit cardigan with structured shoulder. It was, let me see the price. I don't know the name of the jacket, but it's 1,795. See this? Let me just hide this one. So I like their zipper jacket, like knit cardigan style jacket. This is so beautiful, isn't it? And their gold button. This is beautiful. See this gold button? I really love it. So when you see the tag, it's a 36, size 36. BALMAIN jacket and anything, it comes small, so you need to go one up if you don't like too tight style. So I got 36, but I was actually trying to get 38, like because usually I try to wear something a little bit snug fit, but this one style wise better to wear the fit style, so I went for 36. And the material is, let me see, 17% polyester and 83% viscose. Yeah, this is very light. It's a knit cardigan. I can even wear summertime at night. that's why I chose this than very like structured, like formal blazer. I mean, I can get blazer maybe for winter time, but right now California, the weather is getting warm. During daytime, it's pretty much hot. You can wear just short sleeve, and at night it gets like chilly. So I really need this like for all whole year, I would say. So I think this is a good invest to buy. You can wear pretty much. So yeah, I really like this one. And the next one is what it is. See this? The bag. So yeah, it's first time for me to buy Balmain jacket, cardigan, and also the bag. This bag, so I was never interested in Balmain's like any handbag because there are so many things to buy, Hermes, Chanel, so many things. So I was not interested in before, but like this season, I think it can be from like this season or last season. I haven't seen, but I realized this bag is kind of hip and very trend, and I like casual style, and this is totally casual style. I can just mix match with any casual style with jean. So let me open. This was hard to get even from online because it was the last piece from Net-a-Porter. Yeah, I got from Net-a-Porter. And this one. So there are 3 colors of this. And this one is so black trimming, leather trimming, and the canvas like kind of white, light beige canvas with a black trimming. This was all gone. Even Balmain homepage, when you visit, you will see this is not available right now. So I had to get from Net-a-Porter. They had only one left at the time. So after I bought, there's no more available right now. Maybe they gonna get again, I guess, or I don't know. But this was beautiful, and I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this bag. I have a Hermes hair bag. So this could be pretty much similar. Yeah, with a hair bag, but I think since I have a hair bag like this kind of beige color canvas with the top part is gold color, which is like a gold brown color. So this is different. This is black, and that one is gold color, and then this one is trimming. That is not trimming. That's whole leather, the top part. So it's different. So maybe next time I can compare. Yeah. In-depth maybe comparison, but this one, see this gold buckle, I really love it, and this kind of detail, I love it. And I need to show this part, so let me open. So you have to open like this, and there is interesting. So there's a handle here, yeah, and gold tone metal, and this one. Like rear button. So this, let me reveal the face. Ta-da! I love this. Oh my god, this is so chic. I love this as handle here. Also, they have a shoulder strap for sure. So let me take out shoulder strap. And the back side looks like this. There's a pocket here. You can put maybe cell phone or card. It's very versatile. And it has snap fit, I'm sure. You can put pretty much many things. I think this is similar than Hardback 31 from Hermes. Yeah, but it's more structured, I would say, because there's a leather trimming like this. So I really love it. And this buckle, so cute. Yeah. And inside is very simple. There is seems like 2 pockets. One is this, you can put like card, something like that, and this is zipper pocket. You can put things. Yeah, just their pack. So zipper pocket, one zipper pocket and one pocket right outside, like for a card. And it's simple, just black. Inside is the lining is also black color, and I like it. It's all black. So beige outer part, the canvas is black. Inside is not leather. It's cloth and black lining, black color lining. And this. So you can close. So I think you can put it back, you know, like button, or just leave it. It looks like a little bit Kelly in this way, but casual style. Yeah. So if you close like this, let me see. So when you close, it's like this. Yeah, so cute. You can just hold like this. It's not too big. I like the size, and I love this Balmain logo signature, but it's like faded here, so it looks so natural, kind of like vintage look, but it's new. Yeah, and I gonna connect the shoulder strap. Wow, see this? So fancy. This you can connect, and the thing I like about the shoulder strap, you can maybe use for other bags sometimes, because since this has a handle, and I like it because this side you're gonna wear mostly like this way, right? Then this side will not get easily dirty because this is gonna touch your shoulder, so it is very sturdy. Because this side is black leather, so it's not gonna get dirty. But this side, it shows the same canvas material and color, so I really like that way. So let me connect here. Just open this, connect like this, easy. Okay, and the other side also, just like this. Yeah. Oh my god, so beautiful. So I'm gonna do body shot with jacket together. Oh my god, see guys, this is like new trend for sure, you know. And I like it because there's 4 feet here, so it's not gonna be like slippery, and here it's not gonna be dirty, you know. The Hermes hardback has just canvas all over, the body is whole canvas, so this side, this part, if it's this kind of light beige color, it's gonna get dirty here. Yeah, but this one has black color, so it has 4 feet, so it's not gonna get dirty wherever you put. So sturdy, but it's lighter than her bag from Hermes. There was a khaki color with a black trimming leather, and there was just all black color as well. And what else? There was a white color and pink color, and there is canvas. Also, there is a whole leather. So and also there is so many material and color. So and suede. There's a suede version, but I think suede version can be easily get dirty. So I'll just say either this kind of canvas with a leather trimming or leather will be great. Yeah, I saw let me see, the leather trimming color was there was different one. I really like that one, but this could easily match. Also, since I have a Hermes hardbag with gold color, which is like neutral gold color, so I wanted something different but similar kind of casual bag. Because this has different or detailed features, so I loved it. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got it. So how was it? I hope you enjoyed my video this time, and if you have any thought about this Balmain, whatever item you wanted to buy, you can share and comment. And next week I gonna do another brand which will be related to this Balmain. I gonna comment. I gonna talk about this Balmain as well in that brand video. So wait for it, and there will be another haul. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and then I really appreciate your support, and I will do my best to make fun and informative videos for you guys. So wait for it and then see you soon. Please subscribe and give it a thumb and turn the notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye.